experiment of compiler lab. The aim of this experiment is to implement the working of a parser. So first I have included many header files and I have defined a few variables using hash define. Some of them are size 128, none -1, EOS, null, num 257, keyword 258, ID 259, done 260 and max 199. Then I have declared two character variables like character arrays like seam and buffer. Then I have declared integer variables last character equal to -1, last entry equal to 0, token value equal to done, line number equal to 1 and look ahead. Then I have created a structure entry character which has a character pointer, lex pointer, then an integer token. Then a structure object is created, sim table of 100. Then another structure entry is created with an array keywords which has the keywords like if, else, for, int, etc. Then a function void error message is created in which the errors will be printed. In function lookup, the last it starts from the last entry and goes to the top and checks if that particular variable is already there in the symbol table. Then a function insert is created in which there is an integer length and then it will store the value of the string. Then if last entry plus 1 is greater than or equal to max, then symbol table is full, otherwise the lexeme array is full. Then the symbol table of last entry dot token is initialized to toc. Symbol table of last entry dot lex pointer equal to ampersand lexemes of last character plus 1. Last character is equal to last character plus length plus 1. Then str copy the symbol table of last entry comma lex pointer comma x return last entry. This function will return the last entry that we have inserted. In function lexer there is an integer variable t and two integer variables value and I is initialized to 0. Then we run a while loop which will run until the condition is true. T is equal to getChar, T equal to null or T equal to tab, else if T equal to new line, line number equal to line number plus 1. If each digit of T unget C T comma std in scanf ampersand token value return num. Else if is alpha of T, while is alnum of T, that is if it is an alpha numerical number, buffer of I is equal to T, T is equal to get character, I is equal to I plus 1. If I is greater than size, then we have to print the error message. Now if it is not the end of the file, we will get another character and we will look it up in the symbol table. If value is equal to 1, then we will insert a new value. Otherwise, if it is the end of file, we will stop this function. Then in void match we will check if the given input is there in the look ahead. If so, then new token is entered. Then in the display function we will display whatever result we have got from these functions. Then in void f void e in void f void e function is called. Then the look ahead symbol is checked. If it is a open bracket, then it matches the open bracket and e function is called. If it is a closed bracket, then break is break. Case num, that is if it is a number, then we'll display the token value and the number. Then in function t, again the look ahead symbol is checked. If it is star, then t is equal to look ahead, match of look ahead, the f function is called and t is displayed. Then we'll continue and check if it is slash. If so, if t equal to look ahead, match look ahead, display t. In e function again the look ahead symbol is checked. If it is plus or minus, if so, it will be printed. And then finally in the main function we'll ask the user to enter his choice and the output will be printed. So when we run this program, if we give an input, a plus b, a is an identifier, b is an identifier, and the arithmetic operator used is plus. That's all.